Hey everybody, welcome back to the Redneck Automotive YouTube channel. Today we're gonna try and really figure out whether the radiator's cracked or if it's that hose. I don't know. If it's cracked, we're gonna yank it out today and you'll understand why I have empty Tidy Cats freaking kitty litter thing in here. So alright, let's get this thing moved over to the working on spot, the good old Red Ranger. Alrighty, got her moved into her spot here. Just shut her down. So, they grab impact. It's not very warm. You guys only missed probably about a minute of me trying to get her over here. It's so hard with one hand now. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, we got coolant on the battery. Still there from the other day. Still got coolant all over here. Sweet. Oh, look there. It is cracked. See where it's bubbling out? That is a crack. Awesome. So, not quite what I was hoping for. Let's make sure, see if we got pressure. Shouldn't be much, any. There it goes. Alright. Radiator's still pretty full, so thankfully we didn't lose too much antifreeze. I mean, it's not like it's the most expensive thing in the world, but yeah, let's get this hose clamp off of here. Do this one-handed with the camera, never done that before. There we go, it's on there. It's all the way loose and off, I think. No. Don't know what I'm doing with the camera in my hand. There it goes. That's all the way off. Okay. Give her a wiggle off of there. Yep. That's really irritating that that's cracked. Damn it. But I got in contact with the place that I bought it, so they have a replacement in. Should be coming in today. Actually, at this point, it should already be in there. So, the not trash bin. Alright. I should probably clean that out first. Jump cut. Alrighty. No, that's not me taking a leak. Decided not to use that. I have two empty coolant jugs, so I got that going. Really sucks, but with this hose out the way, I was looking at it a little more. That's a good crack. Alrighty, so got the radiator drained. I took the lower hose off and drained it out there. Got a bit of a mess to clean up, but that's okay. Got our lower hose off. Did I say lower or upper? Lower hose is off. I drained it out there and out of the bottom of the radiator. It's still kind of got the drips. Got my 1/2 inch. I was working on that bolt right down there. Then I got two more right there and there. Those are going to be fun with one hand. I'll figure out how to do that one. And then I got the two transmission lines, which they're not too bad. Alright, that was a hell of a struggle. Got it out of there, got our transmission lines up, and that one's on the ground, but it's not doing anything. The end of it's actually sticking up, if you see it there. Lower hose is up. This one is dry. Okay, so now I can get you all a better look at that crack. It's right here. Goes from there to there. I don't know, can you? It's still kind of hard to see on camera, but it is there. The only thing I have to do now is get my little fittings out. If they're not getting those, I'm not going through that trouble finding those again. So I'll get those out of there, and yeah, we'll pick up when I get the new radiator from the store, which is not too far from here. Alrighty, so we got the new one. No crack on the hose there. No cracks over here. Pitcock looks good. Still got the yellow caps. And bringing her up on the top side. Everything looks good here. So I left it out in one of my previous videos. I meant to say it, but don't let things like that discourage you. You get bad parts from time to time. It happens. It's just unfortunate that I kind of messed myself up in the process, but you know what? We're going to get the new one dropped in today. We're going to get this thing ripping on the streets again. Alright guys, got the new one all mounted up. Got our upper on there. Transmission lines are on there, good and tight. Lower's on there. Pitcock is tight. Put on our little overflow here, which actually was working on the last one. There's liquid in here that I did not put in. So let's go ahead and get started putting some coolant in this on beach. Alrighty, so damn, that fell already. Alright, well, I'm gonna fire her up, get this started with the whole burping process. You guys can check out the last vid if you want to see how to do that. I'm just trying to get this over with because it is, like I said, getting noticeably colder out here. So let's get to cranking. We'll let her warm up here and I'll pick up once we're all finished up. She's still burping up. You can see it's a big old air bubble. Just pop. Alrighty, so we got this all bled out. I'm gonna go ahead and take it on a test drive now. Pick up all my stuff. Throw this in the bed here. Wipe off my hand on this nasty rag. And we'll slam that hood shut. You know, I was looking at this Ranger that I'm parked next to. On the other side, the door lock is fine. That one's been, looks like hit with a flathead screwdriver. And if you look at the ignition, why are you focusing on the window? Look beyond the window. Stupid camera. Look at that. Steering column's cracked. There's a piece of that ignition on the floor right there. So I venture to say someone tried to steal this at one point. I have no idea who it is. It's been here since I moved in. Anyways, let's get this thing fired back up. Go for a little drive. No. There we go. Alright. Get the window rolled down here. Because it smells like nothing but exhaust in here. Love that nice exhaust leak coming out the manifold. Got the seatbelt on. Drop her in the reverse. Alright. That one behind me. So this is where it took a turn last time. Oh, damn. This power steering is fucked up right now. See how it was all jerky? I think I need a new pump. That sucks, but it is what it is. Bump, bump, bump. Don't worry, buddy. I won't run you over. Alright, I'm going to jump to them. Alrighty. I'm going to go the exact same route as last time. I need to get fuel on this pig. Do the same route as last time. Not all the way in drive, she's in second. Turn on the lights since it's Ohio. It's like 4 o'clock. I think. Alright. Nice little pull. And she's no race truck by any means, but still love driving this thing. It's fun. You get a lot of looks driving this truck. A lot of people wondering what the hell's wrong with you, or get some old timers that like it a lot, you know. There we go. Making a nice turn here. Don't know how to film this, sorry. Alright. Going the same route as last time. Really low on fuel, so I'm going to take it easy. And I'm just going to get this pig back. I'll end off the video there. Hopefully that's the end of it. I don't know. Alrighty, so I just took her for a good little drive. We're still pretty damn low on fuel, but temp gauge is normal. When I was on the drive though, always make sure you take tools with you when you're going on a test drive. One of these hoses, it was completely unrelated to the radiator. Well, it's related, but not with what I do. Oh. This bad boy right here wasn't tightened down, like hardly at all. So it was spewing out. So we got a little bit of coolant down there. I double checked, and it stopped once I torqued that son beach down. So now we're good. We're good to go. I single-handedly, get it? Single-handedly replaced my radiator today. Didn't think I'd ever have to do that. With one hand anyways. But yeah. So don't get discouraged when you're starting out working on things. I've been doing it since I was probably 12 or so. I used to have videos here, but I deleted them because I was embarrassed by them. But yeah, just keep at it, learn. You never stop learning. You always learn something new. So yeah, that's the only spots of coolant. Other than that, she's holding a normal temp. She's running cooler than she used to. Plan on driving this thing some more, but there's still more things for me to do on this. You know, right now I'm out of work because of my hand, so this is gonna be my job here for a while. And I'm not making any money on YouTube right now. I'm only doing this to keep myself from going insane sitting at home. Hood. Yeah, of course. Damn it. Gotta close these like you mean it. So this is my job right now. This is how I'm looking at it. Let's go ahead and crank it back up. Giving her just the slightest little kiss on the gas pedal. See that? Kiss. She's running like a champ. Now I can park this in front of my house and get the hell away from this Ranger, which I'm pretty sure was stolen. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. There wasn't any, well, there was a little bit of blood in this one, but nothing too bad. No blood and gore. It's always a good thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all's support. I'm gonna really try to make this channel kind of good. But thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. You know, tell them this dingus here is making videos, and thank you for watching.